Hello all, welcome again for another amazing video, and welcome back again to our YouTube channel, All Things With Us. So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how I normally do transform these wooden beds, and for this case I'm going to be transforming it, and apart from that I'm also going to expand it. That is from a 4x6 bed to a 5x6 bed, and I'm going to be showing you all the steps, all the processes, materials and everything, and tools that you need to do this bed transformation. So as you can see here, this was a 4x6 bed. As you can see, 4 feet, so it's a 4x6 bed, and I'm going to be expanding it into a 5x6 modern design bed. So stay till the end of the video so that we can see, watch, learn or do, and enjoy the amazing video of the bed transformation. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. I really do appreciate that. And if this is your first time clicking on our video, feel much welcome to our channel. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. You can also visit our channel because we have already uploaded a variety of videos that you can watch, learn one or two and get entertained. Yeah, so this channel is all about education, entertainment, and be amazed with the kind of transformation, DIYs and makeovers that we normally do and post in this channel. So the first thing that I normally do during this bed transformation is taking the measurements and also adjusting the height of the headboard, because most of the headboards have a height of about 3 feet, and I usually raise them to between 4 feet to 5 feet depending on the client's desire. So yeah, I normally put an adjustment layer just to raise the headboard before I start a bed transformation. And for this case, I had to also cut the headboard and also the lower side of the bed into 2 parts so that I can expand it into a 5x6 bed. You can see in the video that I'm taking measurements, making sure that the bed is 5x6 and not less or more than that, so that the mattress can fit after the expanding the bed. So yeah, after doing the framework, and I normally use 2.5 or 3 inch nails. After that, I'm going to be nailing these plywoods. I normally use 3mm plywoods, and I use 1 inch nails to do this, to attach the plywoods onto the frames, the new frame, that is the new headboard. After doing this modification, as you can see on the video, I'm showing you how I normally do expand that. So after that, I do attach the plywoods, and yeah, the transformation continues. If you have any burning question, if you have anything that you want to know more about this bed transformation, you can just comment down below and I will definitely get back to you. Another information that I normally tell my clients, this is a one-day job and I normally do it at the client's home. That is, it takes me only a day, but not a full day. It's a couple of hours, like from around 9 a.m. to around 3-4 p.m. depending on the design and the size and the labor work that the design requires from me. So yeah, this is what I've managed to come up with. That is after attaching the plywoods. So the next thing that we normally do is attaching the forms, depending with the design, also depending with the design that we are making. Attaching these forms, I normally use contact glue. Yeah, and you will need to apply it both on the surface and also the surface of the headboards and also on the surface of the form that you are going to be attaching it. And then after that, I take measurements, know the design that I'm making, and if I needed to cut some patterns, I do cut them using a saw. And yeah, that is basically what normally goes on during this bed transformation. And I hope you are enjoying this video till this far. And if you haven't liked this video till this far, kindly consider liking the video, comment on it and share with your friends and family. So for this case, I had to cut these lines. So because many 5x6 beds are reach up to 64 inches, that is the wideness of the headboard, I normally cut these lines 8 inches apart. So each line 8 inches, 16, like that, and so on until I cut all the lines. And after that, it's the fabric part, and I usually use a staple gun and staple pins and a scissors for this apart, because you will need the fabric. And for the fabric, if you want to know the measurements for the fabric, for a 5x6 bed, you will need about 6.5 to 7.5 or 8 meters of fabric, depending on the design, because some designs normally consume more material or more fabric than the others. It depends with the complexity of the design. But for this one, mostly if you have about 7 meters, you are safe to do this. Also the sideboards, these the ones that are usually on the sides of the bed, we also cover them with the foam before wrapping it with the same fabric, so that the whole bed will look as a new and modern design. So yeah, we start doing this. As you can see, the lower side is coming along very well, and also the headboard is coming well. Anyway, I'm going to be leaving you at this, and I hope you'll enjoy the video. I hope you have learned something from it. And yeah, tell me in the comment section what you think about this whole bed transformation. Don't forget to like the video, comment on it, and share with your friends and family. And I'll see you in my next videos. See you.